All right, guys, let's go. Y-intercept, that's the baby's laundry. This guy starts right now, not in the future, not in the past. Right now, this guy's got $6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, we did do this in class the other day, but in case anyone was absent. This score, the slope, is how good of a worker he is. Imagine you were right there, and you make $2. Good for you, you made $2. You're gonna go up $2. But you didn't do it right away. It took you 3 days to make that $2. Okay, so that took you 3 days because this is the future and this is the past. Okay, you want your bank account to go up, but how fast? So you're making $2 every 3 days. That's what that number means. So, okay, up 2 over 3. And another 2 days, you work another 3 days, you go up another $2. But that means in the past, you used to be poorer at the same rate. So we just use that pattern of 3s and 2s to make a straight line, connect the dots. La, 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 Pee Wee Herman. Okay, next one, we just do the same thing. Okay, this one, the Y-intercept, that's the name of the baby's laundry. He's starting at -9. That would be like down here. That's where you are, not in the future, not in the past. Y-intercept means where you are right this second. And this guy's not very good. His slope is he's losing $1, and if there isn't a bottom number, that means every day. He's losing $1 every day. So tomorrow he's gonna be $1 poorer. He loses $1, it takes him 1 day he loses $1, but it takes him 1 day to do it. Okay, now that I have that line, I just continue that pattern. So yesterday he had more money. In the past, he was rich. That's not a very good thing. Okay, so this is what he looks like. He's getting poorer and poorer and poorer and poorer and poorer. All right, next guy. His Y-intercept is 3. He starts off with $3 right now. There's $3. And he's a do-nothing. Okay, he doesn't get better or worse. It's not the worst thing in the world. At least you're not losing money, but you're not getting rich either. All right, next guy. Let's see. Y-intercept is 9. That means right now he has, not in the future, not in the past, right now he's got $9. Okay, let's see. His slope is -1/2. That means he's losing. Negative means you're losing money. You're losing $1. Okay, that's bad. Not that fast. It's taking you 2 days to lose $1. You're losing $1, so you're going down, but you're not doing it right away. It's taking you 2 days to do it, so it takes you 2 days. So using that pattern, down 1 over 2, 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 there we go. Okay, let's see. Next one, slope, undefined. This is the weird one. And the x-intercept is 7. Here's how I explain this. Let's see, I'll make him a weird color. I'll make him, well, pink isn't weird, but here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. He's over here at 7, and he's straight up and down. The reason this is called undefined, he's stuck in time. This guy is moving to the future and going up. The green guy is moving to the future and going down. The pink guy isn't moving to the future at all. It's like he only exists on this day. So I don't know if he's getting better or worse. He doesn't actually move up to the future. He's like super rich on this day. At the same time, he's super poor on this day. He doesn't move into the future. So I don't even have, humans don't have a word for that you're both rich and poor on the same day and you don't even exist tomorrow. That's a weird thing. So we don't have a word for that, so we say undefined. Next one. This guy starts at -6. That's where we find the baby's laundry. Baby's laundry means we're starting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this guy's making money. Okay, he's making money. Good for him. How much money is he making? He's making $4. Good for him, but it takes him a while. It takes him 3 days. So 1, 2, 3, 4. He makes $4, but it takes him 3 days. So that's where he's going. And we use that pattern over and over. And this is where he'll be 4 days after that. And this is where he'll be, or 3 days after that. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. And in the past, we continue that pattern, and we go that way. Okay, let's see. This guy, there's no X, so that's baby's laundry. He starts at -2, and I don't see any X's. I see no X's. So my laundry is 0. So he's a do-nothing. That's what a do-nothing looks like. And this guy is undefined. This guy starts with an X. He's the odd man out. He's the guy stuck in time, and he's stuck in time 5 days ago. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days ago. He is stuck in time. He's the undefined. I don't even have a word for that, but that's what the equation looks like. He's stuck in time at -5. All right, this guy, we have 2 different guys over here. This guy starts at +4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and he's making $2 every 1 day. So he's making $2 a day. Good for him. Good for him. And yesterday he was poor. Yesterday before that he was poor. That's a good thing. You want to be poor in the past and rich in the future. So that's a good thing. This guy's going up the whole time. Good for him. This guy over here, he starts at -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and he's making $2 every 3 days. So he's not earning as much. So how is he going to catch up? The other guy makes $2 every day. This guy makes $2, but every 3 days. So he's not going to catch up. That's weird. He never catches up. In fact, the other guy's getting even richer and richer than him. I'll make this line blue. The red guy's like getting further and further away from him, getting richer, which means they probably used to hit in the past. So we got to be good at going backwards now into the past using the same pattern. He must have been here in the past. He must have been there. He must have been there. So this is where they hit right there. X, Y. Here's the X. So on day -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, on 6 days ago, they both had -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They both had -$8. That means 6 days ago, they were both $8 in debt. So that's when they had the same amount of money. Okay, let's see. Equation. For all of these, we're going to say Y equals my laundry. 1 second. It's hot in here. I got to turn on the air conditioning. Okay, here we go. We say this means on day -2, 2 days ago, this guy had -$6. Right now, he has $2, and in 2 days, he's going to have $10. Can we say how good of a worker he is? Yeah, you know what? I don't want to work with this guy because who cares? Those are hard numbers. If he goes up from $2 to $10, that means he made $8. Good for him, but he didn't make it in 1 day. He made it in 2 days. So we're going to go 8 divided by 2 because he makes $8 in 2 days. That's really, he makes $4 a day. So he makes $4 a day, and today he has $2. That's where he's starting. So he's starting at +2. There we go. There's his equation. Okay, let's see this one. Y equals my laundry and baby's laundry. My laundry always gets the X. It's extra large. There we go. Okay, let's see. This guy, right now, he's at $7. In 2 days, he'll be at $15. At 3 days, he'll be in $19. Can we describe him? Yeah, I'm not going to use this one. I can use any ones I want, but 7 up to 15 means he made $8, but it took him 2 days. So he doesn't make $8 a day. He actually makes $4 a day. So his score is 4. All right, and right now, at day 0, not in the future, he starts at 7. There we go. This guy, same thing. Y equals my laundry, baby's laundry. Let's see. I'm going to use these two because I like smaller numbers. Okay, if he went from 10 down to $8, he lost $2. Okay, that stinks. Did he lose $2 right away? No, it took him, if he goes from 3 days ago till now, it took him 3 days. So he lost $2, but it did take him 3 days. So his score is negative because he lost $2 in 3 days. His score is -2/3. And then do we have a where he is right now? Yeah, on day 0, right now, not in the past, right now, he started at +$8. So -2/3 X plus 8. All right, here we go. These ones are a little more fun. Y equals a certain amount of X's, right? We got my laundry, baby's laundry. Let's see, I'm just gonna use, all you need is 2 points. This guy made $4, but he didn't make it right away. It took him 2 days, so his score is not $4. His score is he makes $2 a day. Okay, so 2 is his score. But we don't see how much laundry he has right now. They don't tell us that today he has a certain amount of laundry, so we have to figure it out. Right now, this box in here says to figure it out, we need to use 2 of our X's, right? That's what we know so far. We need 2 of our X's. Okay, here's our X's. I can use this one. Maybe I'll use this one, but I need 2 7s. That's 14, right? You take your X, you multiply by, and then you check, that's supposed to be equal to Y. Is this equal to our Y number? Yeah, it is. Okay, sweet. So this guy apparently he started at 0. We don't need to add anything or subtract anything. Our equation is already right. Watch, let's see. Let's take this X and multiply it by 2, and we're at 18. And yeah, that's where we need to end up. So this person started at 0, and we don't mention that at all. So this one didn't even need anything. The equation is just Y equals 2X. This one, let's see. Y equals my laundry, baby's laundry. This guy goes up $15. Good for him. He made a lot of money, but it took him 5 days. So no, he's not making $15 a day. His score is 15 divided by 5 is 3. $3 a day. Okay, So to figure out how much he has, let's see. We're supposed to use 3 of our x's. That's what this 3x means. Okay, here's our x's right here. Let's use 3 of those because that's what it says. These are our x's. Let's use 3 of those. 3 times 10 is 30. But I'm shooting for 26. So I'm not there yet. I'm too big. I'm too big by 4. So if I want to get to 26, I still need to minus 4. And that takes me to 26. So that's the equation. Ready? If I take 3 of my x's, if I take 3 of these 15s, I'm at 45. And then if I minus 4, I'm down at 41. That's the equation, 3x minus 4. Okay, 15, rational or irrational. Anything with pi in it. Rational means fractional. Anything with pi in it ruins you. It goes on forever. That's irrational. 13 is not a pink number. We can take a square root of it, but it is not a pink number. Our pink numbers are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100, 121, 144, 169. This is not a pink number. So yeah, it has an answer, but it goes on forever. Irrational. 16 is a pink number, so that's just going to turn into like a normal fraction. No part of that fraction breaks the rules, so we're good. That's rational. 7, 2, 1, 4, 6, ... goes on forever. I don't see a pattern. Those are the only numbers that ruin it. You can't go on forever without a pattern. Irrational. 7, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. That would be 0.721, where the 2 and the 1 repeat. Yeah, there's a pattern there. That's rational. You have to be random. This is just a regular old fraction. Of course, fractions are fractional. That is rational. Okay, here we go. To do these, think about the word hi. The word hi and the word hello. If you didn't speak English, you would have no idea that those are actually the same meaning, the same word. But if someone says, hey, I'll do you a favor, I'll tell you in the dictionary that these words are equal to each other. That means any sentence I see the word hi in, I can replace it with hello, even though they don't look alike. Okay, here's hi. Here's hello. They don't look alike, but this nice little equal sign says they're the same. Okay, so in this next sentence, I see the word, I see the word hi right there. Should have made that in blue. There's the word hi. So I'm going to write that same sentence, but I'm going to replace hi with hello. Okay, 3x plus 2 equals 22, right? So I'm going to take this hi out, and I'm going to replace it with hello, which is 3x plus 2. Sorry about my writing. So that's all I'm doing. And this guy is hello. So I wrote the same sentence. I just took out hi and replaced it with hello. So now I've got positive 2 times 3x is positive 6x. I've got positive 2 times positive 2 is positive 4. I've also got this 3x that was just chilling, had nothing to do with it, and I have 22. Now I've got my laundry, baby's laundry. I have too much of my laundry in the same room, so let's put them in one pile. So if I have 3x's and 6x's, I really have 9x's. 9x's plus 4 equals 22. All right, the guy who needs to switch rooms is the plus 4. Hopefully by now you can see that we need to use minus 4 to get him out of that room and move it over to the baby's room. So we have 9x's equals 22 minus 4, which is 18. Divide by 9, divide by 9. X's are 2's. So knowing that information, I'm going to go all the way back to the beginning. Right here. X's are 2's. So y's equal 3x's plus 2's, but x's are 2's. So when you do 3x's, really you're saying y equals 3 times 2 plus 2, y equals 6 plus 2, y equals 8. So our answer is 2 for x and 8 for y. All right, here we go. And these ones, when you have a stack of x's, stack of y's, stack of numbers, you can add these together and look at the y's. If I have positive 3y's and negative 3y's, when I combine them together, they're going to kill each other off. That's what we want. So we have 2 x's and 3 x's, we really have 5 x's. 16 and 9, we really have 25. So when I add both my equations together, I have 5 x's equal 25. The y's were nice and killed themselves off, and x equals 5. When I want to plug this back in, I can say, okay, any equation that I have so far works. 2x's plus 3y's equals 16. But now I know x's are 5s. So I'm not going to say x's, I'm going to say 5s because I've already figured out that x's are 5s. Okay, let's see. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 3y equals 16. This is baby's laundry. This one is technically not my laundry. It's a y, but you get the point. So minus 10, move him over here, minus 10. 3y's equals 6. Divide by 3. And y's equal 2. So 5 for the x's, 2 for the y's. We always put them in alphabetical order. Next one. If I combine these, none of these numbers are going to kill each other off. 3s don't kill 2s, 2s don't kill 4s. Okay, but I can multiply the top one by 2 and make that whole line 2 bigger. And the reason why I'm doing that, 3s turns into 6, 2s turns into 4s, and 9 turns into 18. I made the whole line bigger. That way, when I do combine them now, 6x's and 2x's is 8x's. Positive 4y's and negative 4y's, those kill each other off. 18 minus 10 is 8. So now that I divide by 8, x's are 1s. All right, let's go 3x's plus 2y's equal 9, but now I know x's are 1s. So 3 1s plus 2y's equal 9. 3 plus 2y equals 9. I'm going to minus 3 because that's baby's laundry. Minus 3 minus 3. 2y's equals 6. Top versus bottom, the 2. Y equals 3. So we've got, what is that? 1, 3. All right, this is the hard one. I can't turn 2s into 3s and I can't turn 3s into 4s for the x's or the y's to kill each other off, but I'm going to turn both x's into 6s. So I'm going to make this guy twice as big. And that will turn this line into 6x plus 8y equals 10. And I'm going to make this guy negative 3 times bigger. Why negative 3? Because when you multiply by a negative, it switches you from positive to negative or negative to positive. So 2 turns into 6 because I'm multiplying by 3, but it goes from positive to negative. And I need it to be negative so that it kills the positive 6x. So let's go negative 9y multiplied by negative 3. Multiplied by negative 3 is negative 12. And now I can combine things. 8 versus negative 9y's, the negatives win by 1y. 10 versus negative 12, the negatives win by 2. I'm going to top versus bottom, just the negative. I just want to kill the negative because I don't want negative y. I just need positive y. So this negative kills this negative and y equals 2. All right, so then I go back to either equation. I'm going to go back to this one 2x's plus 3y's equal 4. But apparently y's are 2's. So 2x's plus 3 2's equal 4. 2x's plus 6 equals 4. I'm going to minus 6, and 2x's equal negative 2's. I'm going to top versus bottom the 2, and x equals negative 1. Obviously, if you're not in the upper blue group, this is going to be kind of hard. So thank you for following along. You'll get there. I don't need you to get it today. This one, let's see where they interact. Okay, this guy starts at 7. Right now he's at 7 and he loses $1 every 2 days. He goes down $1 every 2 days. But I got to do that in the past also. So in the past he was richer. Okay, that makes sense. This guy starts at negative 2, which is right now, not in the past, not in the future. He's $2 down. And this guy loses $2 every day. He goes down $2 every day. So he's getting further away. But maybe in the past, if I use that pattern, these guys used to both be right there. This guy went right there like this. This guy went right there like that. They used to be right there. When is that? Let's see. That was, we say the X is first. That was 1 day ago, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days ago. So negative 6 for the days. And how much money is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 days ago, they both had $10. All right, I think that is it. Good job.